First, add the flour and sugar, along with the baking powder, and a small pinch of salt. Use a whisk to combine them until everything is even. In a separate bowl, add milk, eggs, melted butter, and vanilla. Whisk until completely combined. Slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Gently whisk until a smooth, slightly thick pancake batter forms. Do not overmix. When bubbles appear, it's ready to flip. Repeat the process with the remaining batter. Keep their size and appearance consistent. Adjust the heat if they brown too quickly. Golden brown and fluffy every time. Fluffy, golden, and delicious. Classic American pancakes are ready to enjoy.